Are you looking for a St. Patrick's Day craft? Then you have come to the right channel. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. Today I'm going to show you very simple and easy 3 DIY for St. Patrick's Day craft. How to make Shamrock St. Patrick garland, how to make paper rainbow, how to make Shamrock St. Patrick collage. I hope you all enjoy, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you are the first one to know whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting time, let's get started. This St. Patrick's Day Shamrock garland is perfect craft DIY for decorating your home. I have this template so you don't have to make your own. You just need to click the download button. It's in the description below. Once your template is ready, you are ready to trace them on the green cardstock. Or you can use any green paper like construction paper or craft paper. Now cut them out with scissors. You can make as many you want. You can punch here and insert the thread. Or with the help of hot glue, take one by one and start pasting it. So your St. Patrick garland is ready. It's really easy and inexpensive piece to make your own DIY. So let's learn to make a rainbow craft. This is fun and easy St. Patrick's Day art project to do with kids. You will be needing few strips with different colors. Now take one strip and apply glue and paste the other strip like this. Repeat and apply glue and paste the other strip. Keep on repeating. Now here, apply glue and start pasting this way. Yeah, look how beautiful it looks. Now take cotton pad and with the help of hot glue, paste it on both the sides as shown. Yeah, your second DIY rainbow is ready. Shamrock collage for St. Patrick's Day craft idea. It's really going to have lot of fun making this DIY with lots of different shades of green to make these shamrocks. It's really very easy to work with. Draw shamrock leaf. Take few green shade colored paper. Make small pieces and with the help of white glue, paste it as shown. Now with black sketch pen, trace it out this way. Yeah, it's ready. That's it my friend for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And do let me know which DIY did you like and send me the picture if you recreate it on any of my social media. Give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.